Hello, beautiful human being. Welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how I braided this rose design. Very easy, very quick. Let's start. I start by making the outline of the rose on both sides, just like this. So you're going to have that slight curve at the top, like the shape of a vase. Make the shape of a vase on both sides, just like this. Next, we are going to share this into three by parting it like this. So for the first one, I go a little bit after the middle, start making it from there, make the curve just like this, and then braid it down. If you can stitch the braid, it is going to make it finer, so please do. If you look closely, you see there is a slight curve under there, so curve it in a little bit, a little bit. This is just like the shape of a vase, so it's usually like slimmer at the bottom. So we make the part of the other the other half of the rose, the other section of the rose. Now for the one in the middle, you will need like a round shape in the middle so that you can make that twirl that curve. So when section it out, make sure you have like a bulge in the middle, and then it slenders and it tapers out as you go towards the bottom. That's for the middle section. And now we are going to proceed to braid this right hand side down again, just as we did on the other side. What I am applying is shine and jam, just to make the hair extra cooperating and shiny and arranged. It looks better. So there you go. I braid it all the way to the bottom. Remember to curve it in slightly, just like like the bottom of slant the bottom, like round out the bottom, make it nice, make it look delicate. And now for the middle, we are going to make as if we're making like a swirl. So you're going to go inside, start from the middle to start braiding, braid out, around and over. So just make your line like this. It is very easy. Can you see what I did? It looks like I cut a small triangle into the circle. So I will start braiding from that triangle I cut into the circle. It's like a slice of a pie. Let's say the round part is it's a pie. Sorry for the ass shot. Let's say the round part is a pie. You just make like a slice of pizza out of it, and you start braiding from that small slice. Then you go around into the bigger slice and eat every other person's own. Just braid it around, round and round and round, and then when you get to the outer end, you braid it downwards, and there you go. You're going to see now. So I have made this tutorial on a natural hair. Then I have other interesting braid designs on my channel. The latest one that everybody is still loving is the butterfly. That hair is refusing. Okay, yes, the rest of her hair, right? I made the rest of her hair into butterfly. If you want to see that, the video will be up very soon. You should subscribe so that you know when it's up. And her hair was really pretty, really pretty. So if you want to see the complete hairstyle, you should subscribe so that you will know when it is up. I am still editing it. This work is not easy. Guys, please leave a thumbs up to encourage me. Thank you. But this is the final look, and I don't need to tell you it is fine. You can see.